Here it is, Jake.
Yeah. And I'm feeding my pet rats. Named Oreo Peanut.
Here's Oreo. Hi, Oreo. What are you eating? And there's Peanut. Hi, Peanut. You're a silly rat. Hi, Peanut.
Yeah.
Give Peanut one. I don't think he knows where they're at. Watch Peanut take this.
Peanut?
They're eating Apple Jacks as a treat.
Oh, really?
There it goes. Got one. Let's see if we can get it on too.
Yeah, good job,
Here, watch
Peanut.
your hand. Let me get him. Let's see if we can find it. Peanut.
Look at your food dish.
Let's see. Some Apple Jacks is all your other good food. Oh, did you find one? Are you not going to get one? Oh.
Or if I could get another one.
Where it goes. I got one. See? I got one. Like, ooh, are there more in there? I'm a little pig. Let me get one more. Oh, I'm taking two with me. Oh, Peanut. Are you taking a drink? Are you gonna go get some more, Peanut?
I'll get. Come here, Peanut. Peanut.
Did Peanut get it?
Nope.
Come on, Peanut. Get your little treats. Peanut's a little slow. He's a little shy. Oreo over here. Oreo is not shy at all, and he is the bigger one. Peanut just won by himself. Here, let me give Peanut one.
Hey.
Here, Peanut. Oh. Do you not like these anymore? Don't like it? You covered it up. You're a goof. Maybe we should go get some Cheerios. Go get those Cheerios.
Okay.
Get the don't get the blue box. Get the other box. What's the matter, Peanut? Do you not like being on video? Is my camera freaking you out? Peanut. Peanut. Hi, baby.